Hi guys, today we're going to keep working with translating figures, but today I want to take a look at coordinate notation. Take a look at this first example. Translate the figure according to the rule xy becomes x plus 2, y minus 1. What are the coordinates of the new figure? Well, on my triangle, I'm going to have A, B, and C. Let me quick label those for you. This will be A, B, and C. And I want to translate this x plus 2, y minus 1. This is the new thing that we're dealing with today. But it's actually pretty simple if you break it down. First, let's just look at x plus 2. This is telling me that all of my x values are going to have 2 added to them. What that means is that we're going to move the whole figure 2 steps to the right. The way that I know that is, let's take a look at just point A for a minute. Coordinate A right now is at -5, 3. What I want to do is add 2 to my x value of -5. So the only thing that's changing right now is -5. I'm adding 2 to it. -5 plus 2 is -3, which actually puts me right here. So my x value is changing by 2. It's increasing by 2. Another way that you can remember that is my x-axis is my horizontal axis. It moves from left to right. And if you look at the numbers on my x-axis, as I move to the right, my numbers are increasing. They're getting bigger. So if I want to increase my x value, I'm going to move my figure to the right. So x plus 2 simply means move 2 steps to the right. Now let's look at y minus 1. Well, the y-axis represents vertical change, up and down change. And if I trace down along my y-axis, the numbers are decreasing. So if I want to decrease y by 1, or y minus 1, then that means I'm going to go 1 step down. So my whole figure is going to move 2 steps to the right and 1 step down. Let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to put my pen on point A and move 2 steps to the right, 1 step down, and drop off my new point. This becomes A prime, and its coordinate is -3, 2. Let's do this for B. I'm going to put my pen on that vertice, that point of B, and I'm going to move 2 steps to the right and 1 step down and drop it off. This is B prime, and that's at point 1, -5. The last one, put my pen on C. I'm going to move 2 steps to the right and 1 step down. That's at -7, -5. Let's do another one. In this example, I have square wxyz, and I want to move it according to the rule x minus 3, y plus 2. X minus 3. Remember, x represents my horizontal change, and if I want to do x minus 3, I want to decrease my values. Remember, as I move to the right, my values are increasing. We can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. That's increasing. As I move to the left, my values are decreasing. So if I want to decrease by 3, that means that my whole figure is going to move 3 steps to the left. Now, this other piece, y plus 2, remember that the y-axis is what represents the vertical change, and I want to increase it. So if I'm increasing y by 2, I can see as I go up, my values are increasing, so that means I'm moving up 2. Let's go ahead and do that with all of our points. Let's start with W. I'm going to put my pen on the corner and move 3 steps to the left and 2 up and drop off my point. This is W prime, and its coordinate is -3, 5. Let's take a look at x. I want to move 3 to the left and 2 up. This is x prime, and its coordinate is 1, 5. Y, 3 to the left, 2 up. This is y prime, and it's at 1, 1. And then the last one is z, 3 to the left, 2 up, -3, 1. Your turn to practice.